And I'm Diksha.
And I am Nidhi.
And we're the Glitterati girls.
If you're eager to discover the secrets behind our stunning makeup looks, then keep watching this video as we present to you the best of 3 Glitterati looks to try from the Lakmé Fashion Week runway.
But before we dive into this video, subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel.
And be sure to hit that bell icon to stay updated with all our amazing content updates. Our stunning looks have been created using the newest Glitterati range by Lakme.
This is the only collection you will ever need for this festive season. It consists of a luminous foundation, shimmery eye paints, dazzling shine liners, and a whole bunch of bold, high drama, high shine lipsticks.
Hi there, I am Nidhi, your golden diva. I am starting with base first. I have already prepped and primed my face. For the foundation, I am using the Lakme Absolute Luminous Skin Tint Foundation in the shade Cool Cinnamon. This lightweight long stay foundation blends like a dream. And the best part, it leaves your skin with this stunning luminous tint-like finish, giving you that natural lit from within radiance. For eyes, apply a neutral brown shade as a transition color and then use a black eyeshadow on the outer edge of the eyes. For the rest of the eyelids, I am using the Lakme Explore Eye Paint in the shade Glittering Gold Dust. Apply this eye paint all over my eyelids using a flat brush. This non-crease, long-lasting formula has an incredible color payoff. Moving to the inner corner. For this, I'll use another shade from the Lakme Explore Eye Paint range in the shade Champagne Rain. Use it again to rim the lower lash line too. Finally, create a precise, thin elongated wing liner and then finish off this look with mascara. For the cheeks, I am going to contour first and then apply metallic highlighter for an illuminated look. For the lips, I'll use the Lakme Glitterati Shine Lipstick in Sand Nude. These lipsticks have high shine finish and yet have a remarkable staying power. Pro tip, dab a bit of a gold shimmer on the center of the lips for some added glitz and glamour. I am done with my makeup, time to cue the beauty shots.
Hi guys, I'm Sanya and I'm your Shimmer Siren.
Starting with the base, I'm applying the Lakme Absolute Luminous Skin Tint Foundation in the shade Natural. My skin tends to lack luminosity. However, this foundation provides 2 times the glow and makes my skin look lit from within. For the eye look, start by applying a neutral light transition shade across the entire eyelid. Now, to add that touch of silver, use the Lakme Explore Eye Paint in the shade Shimmering Silver all over your eyelids. Next, for the graphic eyeliner look, create a sharp cat eyeliner and extend the eyeliner towards the inner corner of your eyes. Then extend the eyeliner starting from the tip of the inner corner, a bit above the crease line. Finish off with mascara and then place a few rhinestones to add some added glitz. For the face, I'll keep it simple with just a touch of a natural blush. And finally, for the lips, I'm going all out with the Lakme Glitterati Shine Lipstick in the shade Retro Red. It literally glides on the lips like butter. Finally, it's time to unveil the ultimate Shimmer Siren that I was always meant to be.
Hello, I'm Diksha and I'm your Rainbow Burst. I'm starting with the foundation using the Lakme Absolute Luminous Skin Tint Foundation in the shade Cool Cinnamon. It is made up of soft focus powders that do an amazing job of filling the pores and fine lines. Place the Lakme Explore Eye Paint in Dreamy Rose all over the eyelids. For the rainbow element, I am going to create an ombre eyeliner using the Lakme Absolute Shine Liquid Eyeliner in the shades Daring Blue and Vibrant Azure. Super easy to use, these shine liners offer an instant pop of color and remain smudge-free for hours. For the inner corners, apply a bright orange shade generously. To wrap up the eye look, apply a few coats of mascara and you're done. For the face, I'm going to mix the tinted foundation with the Magenta Muse Eye Paint for a flush of color and luminosity. For the lips, I am using the Lakme Glitterati Shine Lipstick in the shade Blush Mauve. That's it, I'm ready to take on the center stage.
So there we go. Here are the best of 3 Glitterati looks to try from the Lakmé Fashion Week runway.
If you want to recreate these looks, check out the description box below for purchasing links of these products. Time for us to go, but before that, like, share and subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel.
And don't forget to ring the bell icon for further notifications.
Bye!